And I've been asked to explain why I've got this passion for a metric board in the gypsum industry market. Our brand is called Jumbo, and we've introduced the 1 meter width into the marketplace. Since September 2013, we've sold 280,000 square meters. But the reasons for bringing this product to the market is that it's practical and logical. It really makes no sense to have two widths when one can do the job equally or better. In our view, there is no real reason why a ceiling board needs to be 900 and 1200 wide, and huge savings can be made by manufacturing and stocking less of a product range, and this goes for all the specialist ceiling and partition manufacturers and suppliers, as well as the merchants who stock these products, and the individual ceiling contractors and builders who install ceilings and make a living out of that. Well, the fact that we've been a metric country for measurement for 42 years and we're still dealing in the old 3 foot and 4 foot imperial system has always aggravated me. But in every sense, when you talk about practicality and logic and economics, this product will be better in terms of operation and logistics, both in the store and on the sites. Easier handling, easier takeoffs, transportation, site management. The argument has always been that the waste factor is so important. I'm prepared to wager that using one width of board will produce less waste in the entire ceiling market, because you can use the off-cut board in the same job or the next job or the next job. So there should be no waste, and certainly I'm quite convinced that the waste would be halved in every building site in South Africa. All those aspects will improve the profitability of each contractor, provided he prices correctly. In the marketplace, we've had to deal with 12mm, 9mm, and 6.4mm in the past 40 years. The 8mm tapered edge can replace 9mm and 6.4mm thin boards for all ceilings. But what happens with the tapered edge is that you're able to do 4 types of ceilings, and those are the only 4 types of ceilings when you're using the gypsum product. So with an 8mm tapered edge 1 meter board, we can do bulkheads, flush ceilings, jointed ceilings, and a cover strip ceiling. The way to the market is that everybody has to transport these goods, and they do not fit very well in terms of long lengths and 2 widths. And the space taken up is simply explained, if I use 3 meters as an example of 1 meter board width, that 100 boards is 300 square meters, and it fits without any doubt onto a vehicle in one stack, and also on the site on one stack. And the board is able to lie flat, which is something that we've not been used to in terms of storage on site. Most of the board, when stored, waiting to be used, is stored on its edge. And the edge is the most valuable part of the board in any ceiling installation. When doing a flush ceiling, we have designed the grid, called Jumbo Grid, to have the main T with 100 centers punching, and included a 1 meter cross key, should you want to go to 500 center spacings for your fixing. The alternative method is to use Jumbo steel graining, which has been redeveloped to accommodate no joiner by having a swage end, which means that the 2 lengths can be fitted together without a joiner. And this is replacing the old timber battens and we recommend this for accuracy and faster installation. Those of you who make a living out of suspended ceilings and fixed ceilings in the building industry, jumbo multi-purpose ceiling boards are a must to try.